Hey, what's up? This is Antonio Thompson from AntonioRThompson.com, and I'm coming to you from my home office here in Brooklyn, New York. Today, I'm going to share with you, how to actually create a retargeting, using retargeting pixels to actually retarget or remarket to people who've actually visited your website. Now, the purpose of creating a retargeting ad and having those things running is sometimes people go to your websites and they don't take action. They don't become a lead. They, may not download your offer. They may not buy a product. And so, if they don't do that, you now have the ability using the Facebook Pixel, as I shared with you in another video. Once you have that installed on your website, you now can track and see who's visiting your website and then retarget them and remarket to them with specific ads to get them to take action, whether it to become a lead, to buy a product, etc. You may have seen these online if you go to like Barnes and Noble or like Amazon.com and you don't purchase a product, but you come back to Facebook and you see the same product on your in your news feed and on your timeline. That's what retargeting is. So I'm going to show you exactly how to go about setting that up so that you can actually retarget and remarket to your website visitors. Now, as I mentioned before, you definitely want to have this code installed on all your pages of your website, as well as on your capture pages and in your funnel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to actually just create your custom audiences, right? So I'm going to target people who've actually visited a particular blog post of mine. So I'm going to go to my MLSP sites real quick. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a test here. I'm actually going to go and see which blog post of mine has gotten the most views in the last 90 days or 3 months, whatever. Um, and let's see what those stats are. Let's go to summaries. And let's do the last quarter. So I'm looking at people who have visited my website in the last quarter and what pages they visited, right? And so I'm going to look at and see. Well, it looks like they visited the homepage, blog, 4 highly effective business success tips for entrepreneurs, live stream, work with Antonio. Let's go with um, MLM groups, Facebook groups, right? And I'm going to target these particular viewers with maybe the Facebook ads cheat sheet, right? So if we go back to, I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go back to Facebook Ads Manager. To get to where you're going to create these audiences, you need to go to the Ads Manager up here, click All Tools, and then under Assets, you're going to see Audiences. We're creating a new, it's kind of like an email list, right? You're creating a list that Facebook is going to gather by, scouring your website and that specific page to actually, so you can use that to actually market to them. So we're going to hit create audiences and create a custom audience. We're going to go to website traffic. You can also upload your list to Facebook, and Facebook will, try and match those email addresses to profiles on Facebook. So you can do that. You can also create an audience based on application activity as well as engagement on Facebook. This is very new. You can create a custom audience based on people who've engaged with your video, your lead ad, or another canvas, right? So we're going to go back and actually just target people based on a website traffic. So we're going to target people who visit a specific page, and we're going to select, uh, copy this particular blog post in there. We're going to go back 180 days, and this is going to be called blog post MLM Facebook groups posting. Okay, and create audience. And so now this audience is being built by Facebook. It'll take some time for Facebook to actually gather the information, but you'll see that that'll come up, right? And so what we can do now is when we go to create an ad, I'll just very quickly so you can see. Let's say we want to create an ad that sends people that were on this particular blog post. Where is it at? This particular blog post here, and we want them to go to, what was the call to action here? Miley System Pro is a call to action. So let's say we want to send them to the 10-day test drive of Miley System Pro. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this URL and just do a quick example of setting up a quick ad that retargets people that visited this particular um, blog post. Okay, so the blog post is in there, the audience is in there. What we're going to do is we're going to send people back to my website. This is going to go to MLSP offer, right? I'm going to create an ad. I'm not going to go through the whole process here of developing the ad, but I'm going to show you where you can find the custom audience. And so, typical ad setup, but instead of targeting, you know, demographics and like interest, we're just going to grab that custom audience blog post, right? It's here. Blog post MLM Facebook groups. We're going to target, United States, Canada, English speaking countries as usual, United Kingdom, um, Australia, right? New Zealand, okay. And then so what we'll do is we'll just, we'll edit some of these demographic stuff here, 25, 65. We'll keep the interest blank. We'll edit placements and just do it only in the news feed and uh, the mobile and desktop news feed. We'll set a budget as we normally do. We're going for link clicks. Then we'll just name this ad, right? So blog, MLM groups, retarget, right? So now we have our demographic. We're targeting that custom audience, blog post, MLM Facebook groups posting. Let's change that posting. And then we just go through the process of designing our ad as normal, right? So that's very quick and cut dry, how to create custom audiences, how to retarget your audiences who visited a website and you want to get your offer in front of them again. You want to get some other, valuable content or just a capture page or a product in front of them again so they actually take action on that particular offer. So hope you got some value out of this short video. If you did, please like it, share it, and comment on it. Definitely click the link in the description box below or on the screen. Grab your risk-free test drive of Miley System Pro. We're going to show you exactly how to do more of this stuff, creating ads, creating content that actually attracts your perfect and ideal prospect to you. Click the link in the description box below or on the screen. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.